Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about Lakshadweep. Number 1. Lakshadweep is a union territory of India. Number 2. It is the smallest union territory of India. Number 3. Kaveri is the capital of Lakshadweep. Number 4. Lakshadweep is a group of 36 islands. Number 5. Only 10 islands are inhabited. Number 6. The name Lakshadweep means 100,000 islands. Number 7. The majority of the population are Muslims. Number 8. The official languages of Lakshadweep are Malayalam and English. Number 9. Fishing is the primary occupation of the locals. Number 10. It is a popular destination for snorkeling and scuba diving. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.